This is a quick video log showcasing automation using Cron tab. We're running NetDiscover on our Ubuntu machine to scan for devices on the network. SSH key setup. Earlier, Jason generated the necessary SSH keys and added his public key to the authorized_keys file on the Raspberry Pi. Jason did this using the terminal mounted on the side of the server rack. Setting up the cron job, writing the script. To ensure the web app starts automatically, Jason created a startup script. This script mounts storage, reloads systemd, activates the Python environment, and launches the server. Adding the script to cron job. Jason then configured cron tab with cron tab and added the script to run on boot using @reboot/home/dubs/start-cyberlab.sh. Rebooting and verifying. With the cron job in place, we reboot the Raspberry Pi. Once it powers back on, the script should automatically start the web app. Final test. In the video, you see Jason walk over to the server rack and power off and on the Pi to test the process.